Matter controller can actually pair with multiple Zigbee remotes. For example, you can use these two remotes to control the same light at the same time. You just need to use the Zigbee self-networking method. First, let's reset all the devices to their factory settings. If you haven't used your device before, you can skip this step. In Apple Home, remove the controller. Next, click the PROG button on the controller 5 times in a row to reset it. Do the same for the remote. Just hold down the power button until the indicator light comes on, then click it 5 times in quick succession. All right, let's dive into the tutorial. First, add the Matter LED controller to Home by scanning the QR code. Now we're getting to the important part, setting up these devices in a Zigbee self-network. Pick one controller to act as the hub, and then add the other devices to it. Click the PROG button on the controller 4 times in a row to put it into hub pairing mode. Next, power cycle the other controller. Just turn it off and then back on to get it into pairing mode.
Okay.
Now let's add the remotes to the hub. Just hold down the power button on the remote until the indicator light turns on, then hit S1. You'll see the light slowly blink, then flash quickly a few times to show that the pairing was successful. Don't forget to add the other remote to the hub too. And there you go. Self-networking is complete. Next up, let's use the Zigbee TouchLink method to pair the controller and the remotes. Start by clicking the PROG button on the controller 4 times to get it into TouchLink pairing mode. Then hold down the group button on the remote until the indicator light starts flashing quickly to enter TouchLink mode. Bring it close to the controller, and when the lights flash slowly twice, that means you're all set. You can do the same with the other remote to pair it with the same controller. Now you can control the same LED controller with both remotes. You can also use the same method to bind 2 remotes to a different controller. Now, some of you might be wondering why we need to set up a network first instead of just using TouchLink to pair both remotes to the same controller directly. Well, the answer is that TouchLink can't handle multiple remotes controlling a single controller. So networking is a must. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Hey Siri. Turn off light. Hey Siri. Turn on light.